guys, welcome back to another video. This is Maz Naturals, and today's video I'm going to do a tutorial on these bendy rollers. If you're interested in the results of these, then stay tuned to the next part of this video. So I've just taken my hair down and I've already moisturized it with my aloe vera spray, my Organics. This is a new oil what I really love, what's working for me at the moment. So I use this. So I use my aloe vera spray, oil, and this new product that I've been raving about, which is on my vlog, on the Curly Fest vlog. I purchased this, which is avocado hair and scalp moisturizer. So I use a little bit of that in my scalp. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to spray my hair. Just a little bit damp, I don't want it too wet. Okay, and then there's a lock here. I don't know if you can see that. That is kind of growing away from this lock, which all I'm going to do is braid it back around the lock and put it into, split it into three. If you want to see the video that I do the braid technique, so as you can see, I used the braid technique on that lock and all the hairs are nicely in place so that I can continue with curling my hair. So I mist my hair with water again. My hair tends to dry out quite quickly, and I use these bendy rollers, what I purchased from the beauty supply shop, and they cost me 99p, which was probably $1 if you're from America. So this lock at the front, the hairs have come out of the base, so I'm doing the same thing. I'm braiding them back into place. I've been doing this braid technique for a while now. When I left my hair for a whole year semi-free-formed, I used the braid technique, and a lot of my locks are still intact, so they grow together now because I trained them to stay on the base. So now I'm going to use the first bendy roller. These are quite soft, it's like made of foam, so it's easy to roll. You see that lot there, you can see the base is all together. I haven't got to braid any hairs back into place because, as I said before, since using the braid technique of that time when I was semi-free forming for a whole year, I've trained the hairs to stay into place. Obviously there's some hairs are not in place, but over time they will get trained just like the other ones. So here I am curling this lock. I push it down to make sure that I've got space for all my locks, because my locks are grown longer now. They seem to be growing. So I kind of push it down, but I don't want my curls to be too tight. I just want them to be kind of loose and bouncy. So I kind of push it down a little bit and I leave a little bit of a gap in between. I supply water again. Actually, it's not water, it's aloe vera juice that I'm using, because that's really good for moisturizing my locks. So I spray some more aloe vera juice, and I've only got a few left, and that looked weird. As I was curling the locks, I kept finding hairs at the back. I used 2 locks per roller when I got to the back, because I was scared I was going to run out, because I only bought 5 packs of these, pack of 12. I tried to use 1 per lock, but I was kind of getting a bit scared, so I just used 2 locks per roller at the back, for a few of them at the back. I don't curl my hair that often, because to be honest, it just takes time and I just can't be bothered after time. That's why I kind of braid my locks if I want a curly style. But I do like the roller set, because it just gives me a fuller look, and the curls last quite long. Yay! I'm happy because I've finished. It took me about, say, 40 minutes to roll all my locks. If you've got shorter locks, it'll obviously be shorter time. If you've got longer locks, it might take you a lot longer. Just giving you a full look of the rollers. Ta-da! I'm pleased with myself that I've actually finished. And I squirt water just to seal in, lock in the moisture, hopefully to get a tighter curl. This is hard work, so I have to take some water. Very pleased with how I've rolled it. Hopefully the curls will come out lovely. So now I am under the dryer. I really don't like sitting under the dryer when I do curls, but on this occasion, because I wanted the curls to be tight, I had to sit under the dryer for 15 minutes to 20 minutes. I've been sitting there, just kind of taking in the music. This is boredom, just entertaining myself. So here we are with this bonnet. This is what I purchased from the Curly Fest exhibition, and it's a satin bonnet. This is the young lady that I bought the bonnet from. If you click above on the vlog, the Curly Fest vlog, then you'll see her in that video. And this bonnet is so lovely. It's satin lined, so it was perfect to hold these curlers in place. I didn't sleep with the curlers in, I just put it on when I washed my face, and the elastic and everything around that bonnet held everything beautifully in place. So now it's time for the big reveal. So I'm taking out the rollers, being careful not to yank them out. Now I don't know about you guys, but I've got one side of my head that doesn't curl as tight as the other. Leave me a comment in the box below if you have the same problem, like this particular curl. Look at it. It's not curled at all. A little bit, but not as I would have liked it to. So I probably will roll that up again tonight. It's always that side of my head where the curls are not as defined. Can you see the difference? This side is a little bit more defined than that side. But let's see what it's like when I take all the rollers out. So far so good. The curls are looking not too tight, just kind of bouncy. So remember, these curls are done on semi-freeform locks. I haven't twisted my locks in about a couple of months. I'm trying to see if I can hold off until Christmas. I kind of miss my thick roots, so that's why I'm semi-freeforming at the moment. And I'm loving it. Down to the last few. I'm liking what I see at the moment. As you can see, that side, what I told you about, the curls are not, a couple of them haven't curled as tightly as I would have liked, but I can fix that, it's not a problem. Voila, looking gorgeous. I'm going crazy. Going crazy because these curls are so bouncy, but oh gosh, those two curls I have not curled at all, but don't worry, we can get past that. So as you can see from the back, it's looking full and luscious. You can still see bits of my colour at the end. I love it. Bouncy, full curls. Now I'm going to give it a shake, 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 shake. Doing the flip, going crazy. I love the feel of bouncy curls in my locks. And you just, even though I haven't retwisted, it still looks fine. Comment down below what you think. Oh, I'm disappointed about that one, but I'll just re-curl that tonight. The good thing with curl, you can kind of push it in and, you know, play around with it. And it works. I'm just fiddling now. Last look, a 360, so you can get a good view. Feels really nice. I'm happy. Trying to kind of flip it up and see what other styles I can do. Can't stop touching them. You can just play around with it until you like what you see. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, and stay uniquely you. And I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah.